Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to change your car on Snapchat. But first, you have to keep in mind that in order to change your car on Snapchat, you'll have to upgrade your Snapchat account into Snapchat Plus. Okay, so you can change your car on Snapchat. So the first thing that you can do is just to open your Snapchat application and then click on your profile picture at the top right corner of your screen, like this one. Okay, now you'll see this Snapchat Plus option. Just click on it. Now, after clicking on that, you'll have to click on the map appearance. Okay, that's right. Okay, so right after that, you'll be able to see your pet or your car. So just click on car option. And finally, you can now see the different cars designed here. So you just have to choose the car that you want to use. So that's it. Just keep in mind that you'll need to have a Snapchat Plus to do this. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.